Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Friends, today in this video I am going to share with you most effective remedy for hair falls. Friends, this is very effective remedy for hair falls. So friends, this remedy I use only my home garden ingredients. To make this magical remedy, you need hibiscus flowers, hibiscus leaves and fresh aloe vera. You all know those ingredients are works amazing. Also aloe vera is good for all. You can see various colors hibiscus flowers, but for this remedy we use only red color hibiscus flowers. Friends, you can see how I collect all ingredients from my home garden. So friends, let's see how to make this magical hair mask. Friends, you need same quantity of hibiscus flowers, hibiscus leaves and fresh aloe vera gel. You must wash all the ingredients very well. So friends, now we have to blend all the ingredients very well. We need fine paste. Now your hair mask is ready for apply. Friends, this is one of the most effective home remedy for stop your hair fall. You can apply this hair mask once a week. After that you can wash it off with normal water and you can use any shampoo as you wish. Friends, now I am going to apply this pack on my hair. So friends, you can see after washing my hair looks shine. So friends, this is natural update. So please try this remedy because it's really help to stop your hair fall. Tell me your result after do this. Hope you like this amazing remedy. I will see you in my next video with another amazing one. Till then, bye.